class and we are group 6 called the Super Micro Fantásticos. Today we will carry out a maximization exercise for complementary goods in the first place. Complementary goods are understood to be tools that are consumed together and in proportions. An example of this is coffee and sugar, toothbrush and toothpaste. Now, having this clear, we go with an example to make it clearer. This afternoon, I'm going to visit my best friend Pamela and I want to surprise her with food. My budget is 40,000 pesos and I know for every 3 empanadas she takes a mango juice. But I must also take account of the price of each empanada, on which 1,500 pesos and the juice has a price of 2,000 pesos. So I stop it and I think, how many juices and empanadas should I take to my friend to make her as happy as possible? To get this answer, I did the following procedure. As first step, I identify my variables, which are the budget that I have to surprise my friend. I will reflect this as M. The price of the empanadas I will reflect as PI and the price of the juices as PJ. Now, having my variables and my formula clear, I'm going to replace. So we know that M is the same of 40,000. Okay, I'm going to replace this M for 40,000 divided by PJ, that it's the same of 2,000, minus PA, that it's the same of 1,500 divided of PJ, that is the same of 2,000. Okay, the result of that is 20 minus 3 divided 4. So, as we had clarified at the beginning, my goods are complementary. So we can infer, if Pamela eats 6 empanadas, she will drink 2 juices. But if Pamela eats 9 empanadas, she will drink 3 juices. Now, we can use this information in the formula. I'm going to replace 3 minus 2 divided 9 minus 6. That is the same that 1 divided 3. That is the slope. Having already alpha and beta, we are going to match this to our budget line. My budget line is equal to y equal 20 minus 3 divided 4 by e. Okay, I'm going to match these formulas, and this is the same to say that 1 divided 3 by e is equal 20 minus 3 divided 4 multiply e. Next, I'm grouping terms for add them. Okay, I move this to the another side of the equal to add the 1 divided 3 multiply e plus 3 divided 4 multiply e, that's equal to 20. Continue with that. The result of that is 12 divided 13 multiply e, it's equal to 20. So, continuing the exercise, I will clear the x to find x star. So, x star is equal to 20 multiplied by 12 divided by 3. So, the result of that is x star equal to 240 divided by 13, that is equal to 18.46. That means that I can buy only 18 empanadas to my friend Pamela, because I can buy 18.46 empanadas because I don't have too much money for buy more empanadas. Now, for find y star, we only have to replace in the formula, and we got this. Y star it's equal to 1 divided 3 multiplied by 240 divided 13, that's equal to 240 divided 39, that's equal to 80 divided 13. And now our utility is just our previous results. So 240 divided 13 and 3 multiplied by 80 divided 13. Utility is equal to 240 divided 13, and the another result is 240 divided 13. That is the same to say utility star is equal to 18.46 and 18.46. Okay, so continue with the exercise. I'm going to explain you how we find this graphic. First, we made this solve, and we made this solve with the formula that we gave previously. This formula is this, and it's equal to 1 divided 3 multiplied x. Before that, I made this table and I put some numbers to replace it in the formula. So if I got 5, I put 1 divided 3 multiply 5, that's give me that result is 2, and I make this precedent with another numbers, and with this give me this solve. Now our budget line, we find it with the formula y is equal to 20 minus 3 divided 4 multiplied by x. So I find the code in the axis y it's equal to 20, and the code in the axis x is equal to 26.66. Ready? Now we can see the baskets that are located in this L will give us a utility of 240 divided 13, and likewise already know what take my friend Pamela to make her as happy as possible, which would be 18 empanadas and 6 choices. Okay guys, that's all for today. Thanks for your attention, and see you in another opportunity. Bye.